What can I make with you for dinner tonight? Ooh, I meant to say for you, not with you. Sorry. You know what? The COVID-19 virus is getting to me again. I'm telling you, I think I'm going crazy. I'm talking to chickens. You know what? It's time for me to head back in the kitchen, so let's get started. Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. And today we are going to do another easy recipe, and it's called egg roll noodle bowl. Very, very easy. What I did is I took ground chicken. You can do ground chicken, you could do ground turkey or ground pork, either one. But I took the chicken and I sauteed it and heated it up in a frying pan with sesame oil, and I did put some garlic cloves in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce to it, and I'm going to add some ground ginger, salt, and pepper. So I've got that all mixed in here already. Okay. Then we're just going to mix this all up. Okay. And then I'm going to add my cabbage. Now, actually what it is it's coleslaw. It's cabbage, but coleslaw package. And I got the kind that's got the carrots in it because I want some other veggies in there too. So we're going to mix that all up in here. Okay. Get it all mixed up together. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back on the stove, and I'm going to heat it for about 4 to 6 minutes. And I'm going to make sure that the cabbage is wilted and cooked through. And then we'll bring it back to the counter, and we're going to add some extra little goodies onto it. Oh, look at you. You've got a COVID mask on. You are so smart. You know what I don't get? Look at your roots. No dark roots. What's with that? I just don't get it. Ooh, we're back. Hi. I have got the chicken already done. I've got the cabbage already fully cooked. And I said chicken, I didn't say rooster, I said chicken. We're okay, right, bud? Yep. Oh, I can't believe I continue to talk to this chicken. I'm telling you, this COVID is getting to me. Anyway, we've got one more item to add, and that is our rice noodles. So I'm going to add those, and we'll get those mixed up in there. And then our dish is completed, other than we're going to add a little garnish to it. Okay, now I made a bed of rice, and so I'm just going to add some of this on here. And I love soy sauce, so I know myself I'm going to be adding some more soy sauce to this for extra flavor, but you don't have to. And then I'm going to garnish it with some fresh green onions. You can even add sesame seeds if you like, if you prefer that also. So here is another easy recipe that you can prepare for your family. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you soon.